Marago bengi omwanchu muligereria bwigetaseni kya Ndizi TV na okwanire andonsia soberete chingaki bonone aliganire kurugaiga ase studio nkumanye ase nchira yobwenge narariaya akorekire asorogongo rwagusi na Kenya yonsi ekerobano tutigaritia matuko make goswa sobachole bonene bumwako oyo chingaki abanasiasa na barai ao bagendrete gwetana na sense ya Kenya elio kwerigeria ogosirwa nechikura chinyinge asobacholi bole bosio na kwareganeria atari make kurugaiga ase studio nkumanye ase chinse chiga naende nkwaregania barimo gotubwatia gwetera senchera ye mitandao gokora boigo wetera sensemo ya Facebook tonyore buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na boiga ensemo ya Twitter @Ndizi TV News na boigo na bogotuma ujumbe yao gosotubwatie wetera sensemo ye website www.ndizitv.or.ke gosotome ujumbe wetera se namba yesimi eyuera se TV yao nkoira nanda segekeke kerebosio egere nkomanye asenchera yobwenge Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita nolya tokubwaterana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua auta toya chake korwase kaunti ya Kisii amangana maya asensemo yobochenu abwasomo waziri bwobochenu Sara Omache anyalreko baga kubulia bamenyi be kaunti ya Kisii weso kiasobonge na konyole chanjo yogotanga okwambukira kuburuire bwa COVID-19 morobulio yoni gocha kiwa bene litikolia rero na ende nigo gocha kogenderera asegeka kya matuko kya ndale bosio abwase abantu bonsi banyalreko bagosororwa weso kya nakobetwa echanjo ya COVID-19 amatuka bwangoiga nigo boroiro bobogendrete komenteka asense ya Kenya ekerobone kaunti ya Kisii eganetie goikia ekerengo ke 52 igoro yemia yabantu bali bagwenete konyora echanjo ya COVID-19 gati yababwatani baikirana ase omorobelio yochakiwa asubogatagati bomochio bosongo ngamono mo director bwobochenu ase kaunti ya Kisii Dr. Richard Onkware amo na babwatani kurwa sebyombe buna Amref UNICEF amo nebyombe binde
bali motarano echante ya COVID-19 ya coronavirus noere igadia egere mogende moyenyole gotariko chande kijaga noera nona nobotaro uchiale koyo kamoranje abantu bonse kolega igashe market sonye torano le chante entana ngose ya kabere yenda unaro kobo konora no ole kwa iwe sakiti bekie ye gotema kwa nyole na ende yo tangere ugo waide
chingaki echobono mwanchu muligereria kerututigarita se amangana yobochenu nigo boigo morobelio bwoko lingoli gwa kwa maiso gwacha kiwa senya gitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral ase orosagia rogotoka imeye town ya Keroka abwasumuliko ito Mildred Momanyi agenda tugotobwatelio roboti oruo kurende tigatorore chibicha echichigweta abwotorenga ninki kegendrete ase nyagitari ya Keroka abwase okoligererigwa kwa maiso korwase nyagitari ya Kisii Hospital tali nyagitari ya Kisii Teaching and Referral mwanchu muligereria nigongo saba okwabera na maligani ye ligi ya bagaka au babwate myaka gochakire myaka 40 nigagendrete kwaliganiwa asegeti kia Kisii School aigase omochebo songo abwase chitimu gwetani ikomi chikageire gocha kubwatirana ase gosase chigosoli echo ase skuru yabamura ya Kisii School kolengana bateneneri be chigosoli echo bono bakwana negetaseni kya Ndizi TV niko batebire buna maligani ayo nyariko baga koera abwase chitimu chonsi korwa sense ya Kenya chikageire goika na gochaka chigosori echu litukolia ankyo Jumamosi goika litukolia Jumapili ase ewiki yeiga.
Samarieta nigonkoro ku Dr. Donald Ratsemongechi, Captain Kisi Wazee, Secretary General National Office of Wazee Premier League. Erige yetu nigegwate timu 15. So mabingwa nsatole kenyanganyire kegaiga kile timu cha kucheza mipira enene maambie Sabato na Jumapili. So ligi ye egente kenene kerine ligi ya professionals bali retire kuri mupira bari above 40 years old. The likes of Henry Motego, Musa Otieno, Pamzo, all the coaches bonsi na wabakarege mambi na abatangazaji abange muna babo Arocho kutoka Milele FM bonsi na wabakarege. So ase egente ke kenene ase gusiga sana because nenga kia kabere toko ke host igega Kisi tuasabire no twenspito beamo tuchiesamo ende nyoro moko nyara na umugo cha Satogi igega Kisi school. So tunawakaribisha nyinyi wote, asanteni sana.
Okobolia nigo kwarurwe igoro yokorwa maigelio gocha sensemo yobochenu asoro iboro was reproductive health eligo kinya ebirongo byobochenu gati yabasubati. Kobolia okundi go kwaboleti weli tukolia igoro chinga kya basubati baumeranete abo baraetwe no musubati Dr. Anne Kihara oyonya tukobakago choro kobo musubati mutangani kobo mo president asensemo yekyombekia International Federation of Gynecology au balengase omocho Nairobi chinga kya basubati au baikiranete buna omusubati Esther Pasaris oyoromo women rep ase county ya Nairobi amo no mo president kurwa sebyombe au baikiranete aroro na komachoro musubati Dr. Anne Kihara.
I was thinking about this, it was because I didn't think abortion should be a birth control. But the thing is, when we budget for contraceptives, we put so little money. When it comes to civic education, we don't want to go out and say it, that there are means and ways.
And this is the key word. Inform, educate, communicate, give choice. Let her decide and then give the highest level of care.
In meetings and many others, we have been in meetings with the Ministry of Health regarding the reproductive health policy which was launched 2 weeks ago to a lot of fanfare. It was not funny at all to see that reproductive health policy being launched because it was moralistic, it had none of our input, and we are also going to give a press statement about that.
Waziri bwechisemi Professor George Magoha nigobona atebire mune serikali nene weterase wizara iyo yanyara ko bakego tumeka chibesa chinyinge kigima ochiase chiskuru ao amana babwatani bechisemi na igo kolengana na Magoha nigatebire serikali te kunyara komenta aborokia chibesa banyara ko bakobolia asekerengo kimeronge 5 nomo igoro yemia asekolende Magoha atebira taline chinguru abwasa tebire buna nigo atigeire engane yo nyarko bage koligererwa amone kyombe yo kubalika aborokia ya Teachers Service Commission TSC elyo koligereria nganaki baranyarko bago konya abali mukolengana Magoha nigatebire nonya nabo ensemo yechisemi nigegendete gokorabya asense ya Kenya anene omorobelyo moya kigima OCBC.
I can tell you that it is most unreasonable because His Excellency's government, which I have been very proud to serve, is spending 25.9% of the budget on education as we speak. Let us not pretend, and let us not play, in my manner, stupid politics. So there is no way, and you can take this to the bank, there is no way government can give teachers 60%. But you see now, I'm talking as a spectator. That question should be directed to Dr. Nancy Macharia and the Chair of Teacher Service Commission.
Umurai wense Uhuru Kenyatta nigoare asensemo ya Arusha Tanzania abwase bagendete kumirana amona barai bande bechinse bali asobomo bwa Afrika ya mocha AU eliwo kwanera mangana mange alengete chinse cha Afrika. Marai bwense niganyaliko bakawo kwanera igoro yo mochando bw'ebinyinyi bya COVID-19 nebitango byagarire omochando yo otaranyarako bagokoera asibayigo aganirie abarai bande asobomo bw'echinse cha Afrika kubwaterana na gokonyana elyo kororabuna ense ya Afrika yagenderero gusuka motwe asa magenderero ao.
We're moving into a new world again, as we have been told here. And it is not just about COVID. COVID has taught us big lessons on access to PPEs, to gloves, to masks and all that. And we have started to learn to start trying to produce ourselves. But we must now produce vaccines. We must go a stage further. But to be able to move into some of these productive areas, we must be together. It cannot be Kenya with a market of 50 million. It cannot be Uganda with a market of 45 to 50 million, or Tanzania or Naro. It must be that market of 500 million. And for us to realize that we are better complementing one another rather than competing with each other. And this market being common to all of us. Because this is what drives us. This is what drives us forward.
Mwansu muligereria ayonga tiyali atogenderete ukwariganiria uchiko ya nyora senchera yobo ikeranu gekuraga ensemo ya bono botuko ime ya Ndizi TV obwansu bo mugusi mangana siasa boigonko gochirare kero Kenya kwanza barase orogongorwa Coast na Azimio la Umoja no barase ensemo ya Trans Nzoia eliwe akira ekoko bali kibaito no bali chinsemo ao kwene kiabu nanguchuliko ya nyora senchera yobo ikeranu chikoraga ensemo ya bono botuko tobaisa gosuka korwa Ndizi TV olito watarana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta no olito watarana komo olioneke buna chibicha na maliogi awikerera senchera yobotoereru nigakoro kwa Petronila Mokeira na inche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita.